In this video, we will show the best mailboxes available to buy. At number 10. Plantex all-in-one multi-purpose letter box. Multi-function box can be used as tabletop and also wall mounting. Ideal for home, colleges, institute, office, school use. At number 9. Primax high-grade metal wall mount letter box. It is made of galvanized iron sheet metal for anti-rust proofing. High-quality textured black painted for amazing aesthetics and perfect for daily life use. At number 8. Klaxon high-grade metal mailbox. It has strong, sturdy lock. High-grade iron material body will keep your mail safe and secure. Long-last powder coating and nice red color enhance your exterior look. At number 7. Architectural mailboxes. It is customizable black double-sided address kit. Complete with 2 white reflective panels. Multiple mounting feet options included. At number 6. Impulse International Mailbox panel flap provided on top to prevent rainwater from entering inside. Slots in front to enable quick recognition of incoming letters. At number 5. Plantex high-grade big-size letter box. It has high-quality textured red and ivory painted for amazing aesthetics and perfect for daily life use. Slots in front with glass fitted enables quick recognition of incoming letters. At number 4. Lamba's wall-mounted plastic letter box. This classic wall-mounted postbox design to keep your mail safe and dry. An outward opening letter flap provides all-round weather protection to keep mail dry. At number 3. Lepose Psi metal mailbox. Lepose provides a classy mailbox. It is available in black color. It is made up of Psi high-grade metal. At number 2. River's Edge mailbox. It features UV protection to resist fading. Complete with tamper-proof mounting hardware. Designed to easily attach to a post-mounted board. At number 1. Pacon Classroom Keeper's 10-slot mailbox. It stores and organizes classroom materials, designed with an individual name tab on each slot. The whole unit measures 16 to 5/8 of an inch high, 21 inches wide and 12 to 7/8 of an inch deep.